So I'm talking about those which want to find different domains.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo.
Doing a little skincare routine for you here. A little live skincare routine, Chris.
I'll be too sexual.
I didn't think you'd want to be missing the live skincare routine.
Yeah, I'll be a second one if you'd be patient. Thank you.
I'm going to just cut out the bit of me laughing so you look really rude on my vlog.
Can't relate to having good skin.
So many weird things happened in my lecture earlier, man. I wasn't even have you been in Isaac Newton?
Yeah.
So we were in this, and it's like full because it was like a what lecture was it? A biology lecture, and I'd had like a full day of lecture. Then some people in the like lecture was airdropping me weird shit.
People do that in mine as well.
Yeah, like the weirdest shit was coming through in my lecture. I was like, for fuck's sake. And then a ladybird landed on me. My stomach was rumbling. Oh God, I better take these out. Chris! Can I keep that in the vlog?
No, well. Are you recording?
Yeah, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, you all fucking whores. Subscribe to me instead.
Right, interesting. What's your YouTube channel called?
I don't have one, to be honest.
Oh, so you're just a pathological liar then?
Yeah. That's me.
Mood. So no, there's nothing you want to inform the people?
To all my fellow Lincoln students.
Yep.
If you want to come to a Lovedoor event, please use my link.
Fair enough. I'll put it in the description.
Yeah, thanks.
Wow, that was really sincere. Thank you.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Why is there a random text that keeps popping up?
Pardon? Yeah, that's coming up on yours. That's spooning me out. What the hell? Has this happened to anyone else before? Oh, it's not. Oh yeah, it's. What is that?
Interesting.
Interesting. If anyone wants to hook up with Chris, then please let me know. I will pass over his details.
You wanted to say?
Nothing.
Yeah, if anyone wants me, please.
If anyone wants me, please. Please.
She's vlogging me.
Am I? Am I, or is it a conspiracy?
You what?
Am I really vlogging, or is it a conspiracy?
That's the tea.
Right, so I'm just making some pasta. I'm just making some pasta. I'm doing a little cook with me with Chris on FaceTime.
Yeah, now I didn't make a FaceTime.
Love.
Come on. Oh, come on. Woo.
Right, so I've just had my pasta. I've just been FaceTiming and Chris for a while. Megan and Hattie have gone to the gym. They didn't have too many lectures on today, so they've gone to the gym, whereas I'm like literally knackered because I've been out all day. Had a really great time actually. I went and met Steph, who actually lives in Chris's flat as well, who I was just speaking to. So just chatting to them on FaceTime for a bit. Met Maisie, another girl who had watched my videos, and it was really nice to meet up with her as well. She's a second year. And yeah, we just had a little drink and a chat before I went to the rest of my lectures. Today I had a mixture of lectures. I started off with a professional practice module that's called Scientific Experimental Design. In that today we did like T-tests and F-tests, which again is something that I'm quite comfortable with, or I'll only need to go over a couple of times because I did that in biology and I'm quite like comfortable with that. As I said yesterday, I think it was yesterday's vlog. Then I had an hour of analytical chemistry where we did chromatography and different types of chromatography. I find the chemistry module this semester particularly like draining. It's called separation techniques, so a lot of it is like chromatography and spectroscopy based, so not the like more interesting side of chemistry, but I understand why I have to do it obviously for my course. So yeah, we did lots of different types of chromatography and covered that today. And then I had a molecular biology lecture, which blew my mind. And you'll have seen me and Katie in a few clips before this, me and Katie, one of my friends from my course, were literally sat there like, we have no idea what's going on, because he just kept using so many weird like photos and just really complicated things on the screen, and we were just sat there like, God, what's going on? So I definitely need to go over that at the weekend, but I'm planning on this weekend sorting out everything. Really want to film a video about how I write my lecture notes and how I like go over my lecture notes after lectures, so that people that I understand them better, and just like another organisation video. But my other one went down really well and people wanted more of them, and 2, I think it will just be very informative for those who do feel very overwhelmed by lectures, because they are such a scary thing. Like even for me now, like don't think I've got this on lockdown because I'm in year 2 at uni, but honestly, like some lectures still freak me out because I'm constantly moving. Like before I came to uni, we were sort of like convinced to stay in this particular accommodation that was near the laboratories, and quite frankly, I've been in the laboratories for about 4 times for my tutor meetings, and that's the only time I've actually been in there, because there's another science building that's more closer to the main part of campus that we've used. And honestly, the forensic students are thrown about absolutely everywhere, which is fine by me because I hate sitting in a room for like a solid 6 hours. So I do like moving around the campus a lot, but honestly, like, but your uni is like, oh, this is your main building. Don't think that you're going to be in there all the time, because honestly, we've been in the science building, the engineering building, the art building, every single building, but the laboratories for our actual lectures. So, and I'm just sitting here now waiting for the girls to get back. I'm not really sure what we've got planned for the evening. We might go out, we might not. If not, then I will definitely be tidying up and you'll be seeing me decluttering. If not, you'll probably enjoy it more because we'll be going out again. I still haven't recovered from Mondays, to be honest, so I won't be going heavy on the drinks, but yeah, apparently tonight Super Bowl's really good. People who are from Lincoln are probably like, how have you never been to Super Bowl? It's an event at this place called Mocha, but if you've watched my vlogs from last year, you'll know that Mocha was definitely not my sort of place. However, it stepped up a little bit this year. Still not my fave place to go on a night out, but apparently Super Bowl's a really good night, so we'll see if I end up going. If not, I'll go at some point in the year, and hopefully it's as good as everyone makes it out to be. Right, so me and Megan have decided to go out tonight. I haven't even said that, and we've just done our makeup like really quickly, and we're just. I don't know what the time is. I think it's 9:05 because Chris said, "Are you coming?" And I was like, we still haven't done our hair, so
I reckon we
don't
can
think
leave
so.
at like 10:30, 11.
Yeah.
Because I would like to be tipsy before I leave.
Yeah, we're trying to get, yeah, good idea. But yeah, we're going to Super Bowl tonight, which is the event that I spoke about either in this vlog or yesterday's vlog, I don't even know. But yeah, we're going to Super Bowl tonight, I think, if we get in, because all the prepaid tickets are sold out, so yay. If not, there's other shit going on, so that's fine. But we're going to the convenience store, which is actually called the convenience store.
And I look grim.
Yeah. Megan's got a Uni of Lincoln
Yeah, my fucking pajamas.
She's got her PJ bottoms on. I've just whacked on a random t-shirt dress, and
I think my hair is. I think I don't need to do anything to my hair. Like I'm just gonna like no.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bit, which is good.
Well, mine's gonna look shit compared to yours anyway, so that's fine. And then
Hopefully the convenience store's open.
yeah, that's what we're hoping for because we have no mixers.
If not, we're walking to Tesco.
Oh God.
No, there's one stop.
Yeah, true. So just on our way to find some mixers and maybe some more alcohol. Right, so we're now all ready for going out. Rihanna Fenty lip gloss in Gloss Bomb. Then I've got the Imagination palette on my eyes. Basic look, what I always go for, like glitter on the lid and then like a berry sort of bronze in the crease. Let's go.
Oh, my highlight.
Mine's not as good. Sorry.
Should we do outfits of the night?
Just pause it for 2 seconds. So this is Megan's outfit. I feel like people are going to ask about the skirt a lot, so let's go.
I don't have my shoes on yet.
Okay.
It's those.
It's these little van things that I bought Cookie for Christmas.
Oh yeah. Topshop.
Oh.
Primark.
Yeah.
Top.
You're
Topshop.
You're walking Topshop. There. What is there?
Oh, are you gonna do it in front of the washing?
No.
Do you want? No, it's not. You always do it horizontal. I was gonna say, do you want it
Yeah.
portrait?
No, horizontal. So bag is also Topshop. Me and Meg bought like cutesy ones the other day. Then shoes are Public Desire. They're
I
like
thought to say were they?
they're creepers, like the Rihanna Fenty dupes, but for like 1/6 of the price or something.
Yeah.
Probably even cheaper than that.
Yeah.
Then the bodysuit is Boohoo with the little
I
side
love
boob.
that. I feel like I want one.
Yeah, get one. They were £6 or something.
My boobs aren't big enough though.
£6. Yeah, but
Mm.
I'm just fat, so it's fine. And then the New Look Splitty. They're New Look.
Oh,
right?
you just showed off a massive bruise. That's
No.
fine.
Okay, I told them that I fainted from bruising the other day.
Fuck,
But yeah, that's the bruise. But yeah, this is the splitty trousers that Megan has
No.
kindly let me wear.
I panic bought them and I feel like you could just have them because I don't
Aw,
know.
cute, thank you. And then my earrings. Oh, we didn't do your earrings. Your earrings are Primark, aren't they?
Yeah.
Mine are Bershka little star ones.
Cute thing. Selfie time.
It's selfie time. I said that we used this the other day for our photos because we're cringing.
We need to invest.
But we don't care.
We need like
Hat over the day.
pics as well. That's actually paying.
Ah, yay! Oh, sliders.
Where should I put this?
Oh.
Oh, buddy.
My beverage of choice tonight is Fanta Fruit Twist.
Fuck yeah.
And where is it? Triple distilled Smirnoff vodka.
That sounds so good.
From Tone.
Oh, what you got in there?
A gin and lemon.
In a banana?
A pink gin, of
This
course.
spins round its own.
Yeah, that convenience. We were just saying the convenience store near us is really good. This was
And
only
it's
for
actually called.
the convenience store,
Oh shit.
and it's really convenient.
I thought, I was like, why are they calling it a convenience store? I was like,
And it's
open to 11.
It's
open to 11.
So if we ever want snackies,
Run, we can run
oh, they're
there.
really nice. I'm
And it
pretty
was-
sure the boy that was working was like watching EastEnders on his phone or something.
He was really nice because he was like, "Are you guys going out?" Like, because he couldn't work out because Cookie was in pajamas. What did you get? Triple distilled and
2
what?
shots of vodka.
And these. Yeah, this is really good.
I'm just gonna keep it.
Yeah, but I didn't even know raspberry arches existed because we have the peach one over there. And then
So
what
is
did
that
you
then
get?
ras-
Oh, Smirnoff Ice because it's a classic and
I've dropped
just
some
a
straws
nice,
in it already.
Oh,
You need to build one big straw.
Yeah.
One mega straw.
a mega paper straw though. Couldn't that be made? Little disco cups out, of course.
Charlotte's ordering a drink.
Y'all now listening to my man official. Yeah.
We've just reapplied the gloss, had a wee, now we're back. We're back, bitches. Oh my god, I would have thought something burst, but it was just my bodysuit. We need to go to Swampy John's, that's sick in there.
Yeah, we will.
Chris, you need to vlog. You can hold it.
Hi guys.
Hi,
What the fuck does? Ew, trash. 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 That girl.
Hi guys, we just met all of you in Mocha.
We just met loads of people in Mocha.
Oh no, I actually love people. What are you doing? Why are you turning it portrait?
What do I do?
That's against the rules of YouTube.
Hi. So guys, here's a tea.
No, you need to hold
oh,
it
sorry.
horizontal.
Here's a tea. So I studied international business management. And I've been doing Spanish as one of my modules, so I can speak Spanish quite good now.
Go on then.
Hola,
Gusto.
me llamo Cristian.
Yeah, amazing.
Mi apellido Foster. Mi cumpleaños es el 7 de marzo.
Gracias. Wait, you're doing a
Interesting.
joint degree with Spanish?
No, it's one of my modules.
Really? No, it's
Yeah, yes it is. Yes it is. Trash. What else do we need to tell them?
You need to tell them.
Okay.
Just tell them how you feel.
So, to be fair, like, as a fresher new to Lincoln,
Yeah,
it's
this is
quite
great.
good. Like,
Do you feel overwhelmed at all?
yeah, I'll tell you what the good shit is like. So I work for Lovedo. I work for Lovedo, which is like the best kind of events company in Lincoln.
No bias involved.
No bias at all. So like if you come to Lovedo, you'll have the best time when you come to Lincoln. So keep that in mind, guys.
Fuck's sake. So it's the following morning. I'm feeling actually quite fresh. It's a bit later, but yeah, I'm feeling fresh. Just done my skincare routine because I didn't take all my makeup off because I'm grim and disgusting. But yeah, I didn't really drink that much last night. I feel fine, and at least it's not a repeat of Monday. So yeah, it was actually an okay night. But me and Megan were just saying it was like quite average, like because this Super Bowl event is like really hyped up. And we just thought it was average, I'm not gonna lie, like it was just an alright night, like nothing special about it. So yeah, that's our personal opinion, and I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I am going to be very productive this weekend, so if you're looking for some motivation and some productive content, then make sure to stick around for tomorrow and the following day, because I'm going to get so much shit done. Like honestly, watching other people like be productive, like declutter, write notes, study, they always make me want to do it. Hopefully it doesn't have the adverse effect on you, because obviously some people it does make them feel like shit about themselves if someone else is doing like lots of work, but I think it's really a really good thing, and hopefully it's the same for you guys. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's vlog, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a very productive vlog.